Remove the power cord from the box and connect it to the machine. Release the safety button. After that, the embroidery machine can be switched on. On the Dahao touchscreen control panel, select the required language. In the standard factory configuration, the machine is delivered with threads already installed. To thread your own colors, tie the new threads to the ends of the threads already installed in the machine. As a result, thread number 1 is now pulled through and ready for final threading. It only needs to be pulled through completely. This mechanism is the thread break detection sensor. While the machine is running, it rotates with the thread. If the thread breaks, the sensor stops rotating. The machine then displays a thread break error. Route the thread from below, pull it into the thread take-up, then thread it through needle number 1 and secure the thread end. Insert the USB drive and select the required embroidery design file on the display. Using the P key, you can change the design orientation. The design can also be stretched or narrowed as required. In just a few clicks, you can select the required number of needles and assign the embroidery colors. Select the required frame type for the job, for example, the cap frame. There are special slots on the underside of the mounting bar where the accessory attachment is inserted. Make sure the fasteners align with the holes in the bar, then lock them securely in place. Take the bobbin case with the pre-wound bobbin, guide the thread through the threading points, and wrap it several times as required. Insert the bobbin case into the machine, lock it in place, and close the cover. Place the cap on the device and rotate it until the locking catch engages in its correct position. Secure the side panels of the cap using the clips. The embroidery position can now be checked. If the design extends beyond the sewing field, the machine will not start, and the field on the display will turn red. If the design remains within the frame area, the field will stay white. Open the needle settings and select needle number 1. The machine will automatically move to the required position. Press the Prepare for Embroidery button. The design will automatically rotate since the cap is mounted at a 180-degree position.